So you're thinking of moving to Wimberley, Texas. Well, in this video, we're going to check out 3 different homes at 3 different price points. That way you can get a sense of what may fit inside your budget. We're going to get after it right now. Hey, Daniel here. You know, I get calls and texts every single day from people just like you thinking of making the move to Austin. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Be happy to help you make that smooth move to the Austin area. And after this video, check out one of our other videos on Wimberley. I have a video on what does $700,000 get you in Wimberley. And I have many other videos in the surrounding areas on San Marcos, Lakeway, up Lake Travis. Really anywhere you're looking around the Austin area, I'm sure I have a video covering that. Also, if you live in the area, please comment below and give us your opinions and experiences, living in Wimberley. It's always super helpful for us to hear from a local and see kind of what their experience is. So where I'm standing right now is close to downtown Wimberley. I picked this spot because I'm next to a tree that has a plaque on it saying Big Daddy 1400 AD. So how can I not start a video by a massive tree like this? I love this spot because it really, in my mind, showcases the best of Wimberley with nature and a city. So where I'm standing right now is right next to Creekside Cafe. It's a nice restaurant right here. We have some boutiques. There's more that way, just parking. It's Friday afternoon and a lot of people, I guess, aren't working Friday afternoon, so parking was very difficult. But then we have these huge trees, and then this, get a little closer, just a riverbed right here, this beautiful nature scene right here. And that really is what I think of when I think of Wimberley, is you're close enough to shopping, but you're right there inside nature, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. And so if that's what you're looking for, Wimberley may be a great choice for you. But anyway, let's go check out the first home. Our first stop today is a home listed at $340,000. This is a 1,024 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home on a 1/4 acre lot. Something you're gonna see with Wimberley is the lot sizes are gonna be bigger. Okay, there's plenty of it around. So this land stretches from here through this wooded area. So this is kind of the lot we're looking at. So you can get a sense of where we are. This was built in 2024, so it was built this year as of recording. And we are at the end. It's another new construction also for sale at the end of a street. So it looks like there's a little bit of a turn here. I don't know if they're gonna keep building out here. I assume they will. So this will kind of be a cul-de-sac, but you can see we're at the end of that main road coming into here. This home is smaller, right? It's 1,024 square feet, 2 bedrooms. So really only for 1 or 2 people to live in. Also doesn't have a garage, right? We have that covered carport instead. But some of the benefits of this is it is a new build, so you're gonna have really good warranties with that. Generally with new builds, they'll do 10-year foundation warranties. They'll do even like 1-year warranties of just anything that breaks inside of the home, they'll replace it that first year. So that is nice. They'll also add sod and grass to the front yard, so it won't look like this. I believe also extend the driveway out to the road also. But for something you'll see as we keep looking in Wimberley, it's tough to come by homes in the low 300s. So finding something that's brand new at 340, it's actually 339,900, but I didn't want to keep saying that. Finding something at that range is great. We're about 13 minutes away from downtown Wimberley, and a really private area. I mean, you're out here, you have a bunch of land behind you, brand new home on it. It's a pretty good deal. All right, let's go check out the next house. The next house we're looking at is actually, I'm gonna do a short tour of the home. Right next door, they're doing a lot of construction and it was just extremely loud outside. So that's why I'm starting in the inside of the home. This home is a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,157 square foot home, built in 2003. It's listed at $495,000 and it is on a 1/4 acre lot. The average price per square foot for this one is actually quite low in the market. It comes out to $227 per square foot. The average in Wimberley is $319. So this is well below the average price per square foot. As we're walking through, you can definitely tell it's an older home, but you can tell by the cabinets just having that older feel. All tile flooring. I like the kitchen. Like the kitchen tile looks really good. I like I'll get a little closer for you. The granite countertop looks really nice. All stainless steel appliances, that looks really nice. But there's a lot of just grime, right? There's a lot of dirt. You can see something was on the window here. They didn't scrape it off. It's just kind of dirty, right? Which no one really likes to see when they're thinking of buying a home. But as far as, purchasing as an investment, this I think is a solid investment. If you're trying to find something under $500,000 in Wimberley, we can walk outside and get a sense of what that, quarter acre, I think it's actually 0.221, so just under a quarter acre. Got a little gecko. So decent size back porch, connects, I believe, to the master bedroom right there. And then we have this large open backyard. I do love the mature trees, so you're getting some natural shade here. And the fence looks like it's in decent condition, not the corner. The corner there needs some repair. But you can see the home from the backyard. I apologize, I can't show the front. It's just really, really loud with the construction crew. Roof looks in decent shape. That dog does not like me, so I'm gonna walk away from the dog. But it's definitely not a newer home. And me just walking through here the first time, the home doesn't show that great. It's older, kind of has a little bit of a musk to it, right? That smell of, did someone smoke in here? That's always never great when you're trying to sell a property. But as far as the layout, I mean, this is I would call 1.5. There's a second level, but it's just a room above the garage. It's kind of an attic room. It's really cool. We can look at it in a second. But we have wooden floors here. Actually looks like luxury vinyl plank flooring in these two bedrooms. Very nice sized bedroom, has the raised ceiling. 2 sinks, right? Again, decent sized bathroom shared with those 2 bedrooms. We have the built-in shelves, natural log fireplace. That's not a gas fireplace. This is the master bedroom, excuse me. Master bath with the dual vanity. Looks like we have the bathtub with the jets in it. Walk-in shower. It's an older style, but there's definitely a lot of pros for this. I like the little built-in shelf right here. Let's check out upstairs real quick. These videos I tend to kind of just walk the street so you get a sense of the outside, but we're here. Might as well look at it, right? So this is what I'm talking about. It's not really an upstairs, it's just like an extra room. But it's cool, it's unique. Gotta love unique. And then this looks out to the main road out there. So yeah, interesting home. And so this is kind of what you can expect. There's very few new construction homes available. I wouldn't say few, but most of the homes that were built in Wimberley were built between the 80s and early 2000s. So this is more of what you can expect as far as, when the home was built. A lot of homes will be renovated from that point, but this one definitely still has that old early 2000s style. But it's a pretty good sized home, like I said, 2,157 square feet. And price per square foot, you can't really beat right now in the market, so that's also a great feature. All right, let's go check out the final one. Final home we're checking out today is a 995,000 4-bed, 4.5 bath, 3,200 square foot home on a full acre. It's actually a corner lot, and it was built in 1998. Okay, this is the house right here. I'll pan around so you can see they have a half-circle driveway. But this is for the front. On the side, they have a paved full driveway leading into the 2-car garage. And as you can see, we're on the corner, so this entire lot is for this property. This house has a pool, has a lagoon-sized pool, or style pool, excuse me, on the backyard. Has a covered pavilion that's quite large, with a built-in grill in the backyard. So there's the whole kitchen space in the backyard next to the pool, which looks awesome. They actually have a 1-car garage that has its own kitchen and bathroom. It's been built out to be like an extra mother-in-law suite, or somewhere where you can have someone rent out that space. And then they have a detached two oversized 2-car garage that it's perfect for both 2 vehicles and a workspace in there also. So they've built out this lot really well. There's a ton of space. Yeah, just shy of $1 million. Honestly, in this market, you could probably get a good deal on this because it's a slow market right now. The tax rate in Wimberley, and for this property in particular, is at 1.4%, which is incredibly low. I don't think you're going to find a property tax rate lower than that in the Austin area. So that's really important when you're looking at a house or houses in this price range. Obviously, if you're needing to finance, if you're not financing, it's not as important because you don't have that monthly mortgage payment. But if you do have a monthly mortgage payment, having the tax rate as low as possible will save you hundreds, if not thousands, a month. So it is really important to factor that in when you're looking at homes at this range. This is a gated community. I hope you like deer, because every house I've been to in Wimberley, there have been lots of deer just walking around as I get out of my car. Of course, right as I say that, there are no deer in sight, but trust me, there are many deer here. But I think that's all I got to say for this one. So yeah, this is a full acre lot, corner lot. It's like when I record, the cicadas know and they come out in droves. There haven't been cicadas all day. Anyway, like and subscribe. If you found value in this video, please subscribe below, and please check out some of my other videos. Like I said earlier in the video, I have what will $700,000 get you in Wimberley. I also have multiple videos on the surrounding areas of Austin. And remember, it doesn't matter if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Be happy to help you make that smooth move to the Austin area. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.